To promote your business with Wix donations, head over to the page you want to add the Wix Donate button on in your Wix editor. To do so, click on the Pages drop-down menu on the top left-hand side, and then select the page you want to add the Wix Donation button to. To add a new Wix Donation button, click on Add Elements from the left-hand side panel, select Button, and then under this Payment Buttons option, click on PayPal Buttons. You'll see that there's a PayPal Donate option. Go ahead and click on that to add it to your page. Then, all you have to do is drag and drop it to the location of your choice. To set up this Wix Donate button, click on Add PayPal Info from its individual toolbar. In the space provided, enter your PayPal email, what's the donation for, select whether you want to let visitors to set their own amount, and if you toggle that option to on, then select the currency and an ID number, or toggle that option to off. You can then select the specific donation amount, currency, and ID number, as well as include the display settings, including whether PayPal opens in a current window or in a new window, and what language is the button in. From the Wix Donate button, you can also click on Layout to change the PayPal Donate button layout, as well as add animation and effects to your PayPal Wix Donate button. If you do choose an effect, you can then click on Customize at the bottom to change its duration and delay, or switch that animation from an animation on entrance to an animation on scroll. Just like before, if you choose a scroll animation, you can then click on Customize at the bottom to change the animation type, motion style, direction, and spin direction. Once you're done adding your Wix Donate button to your Wix website, make sure to click on Publish on the top right-hand side to make your changes active. For even more tips on how to make money with Wix, make sure to watch the video on the screen right now.